Kenya oyangore ni osegoyo okang mar kedo kendo duoko piny thoye mag jomamine e kinde ma gikonyore kokalo kuom tiyo kanyakla kod 10 counties. To kata kamano, jolony weche mag thieth wacho ni tho mar nyithindo matindo to podi en midhiero maduong' madwaro okang mapiyo. Ka giloso e kinde romo margi kod jolony weche mag thieth manotimore e kaunti ma Laikipia, jolony weche mag thieth go wacho ni puonjruok kanyakla kendo kelo rombe ewi kaka inyalo ga thoye mar jomamine osekonyo e bero chenro mag thieth e kinde ma mine konyore.
Counties that previously were very high burden, like Tana River, reporting good progress. We've been engaging with them as frontline health workers, doing peer-to-peer learning and skills transfer for those hard-to-reach counties. And we want this partnership to continue so that where there are no specialists, we can be able to bring specialists from other counties to be able to support the counties that don't have specialists, even as they make arrangements to hire their own specialists. So
as is very evident, the neonatal mortality rate is quite high as a country against the SDG goals of 12 per 1,000 live births. We are actually at 21 deaths per 1,000 live births. And part of the things we were discussing is how do these MPDSR audits highlight the challenges or the gaps that we have in improvement of the neonatal and perinatal deaths.